Welcome to our comprehensive review of the all-new 2025 GMC Yukon. If you're in the market for a powerful, luxurious, and versatile SUV, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore every detail of the Yukon, from its exterior design to cutting-edge technology, safety features, and everything in between. So, buckle up and let's dive into what makes the 2025 GMC Yukon stand out. Exterior features. Body panels. The 2025 GMC Yukon showcases a rugged yet refined exterior, featuring strong, sculpted body panels that exude confidence. These panels not only provide a bold aesthetic but also enhance durability and aerodynamics, making your ride smooth and stylish. Headlights. The Yukon is equipped with sleek, LED headlights that offer superior visibility in all conditions. Adaptive lighting automatically adjusts the beams based on road conditions and turns, ensuring safety and convenience on the road. Taillights. Complementing the front, the LED taillights provide a modern touch with a distinctive design. With bright, responsive illumination, they enhance visibility while adding a touch of elegance to the rear. Grille. The imposing grille stands out with its signature GMC design, creating a commanding presence on the road. It integrates seamlessly with the front fascia, promoting both airflow efficiency and style. Mirrors. Power folding mirrors come standard, adding practicality. They automatically adjust when reversing and offer heating for clear visibility during cold weather. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. Inside, the Yukon offers premium seating with available leather upholstery, providing maximum comfort for all passengers. Heated and ventilated front seats ensure comfort in any climate, while second-row captain's chairs and third-row seats are designed for versatility and convenience. Dashboard. The dashboard is both functional and visually appealing. With a digital display and intuitive controls, everything is within easy reach. Premium materials and soft-touch surfaces elevate the luxury feel of the cabin. Infotainment system. The large, responsive touchscreen houses GMC's latest infotainment system. Features like navigation, smartphone integration, and voice recognition are seamless, keeping you connected on every drive. Climate control. Advanced Tri-Zone climate control ensures that every passenger enjoys their ideal temperature. Whether you're in the front, middle, or rear seats, everyone stays comfortable. Steering wheel. The heated, leather-wrapped steering wheel offers controls for audio, cruise, and voice commands, providing a complete driving experience at your fingertips. Powertrain components. Engine. The 2025 GMC Yukon is powered by a robust V8 engine, delivering a powerful and smooth performance. With ample horsepower, towing capacity, and responsiveness, the Yukon is ready for any adventure. Transmission. Paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, the Yukon offers seamless acceleration and precise control for effortless handling on highways and off-road terrains. Hybrid option. For eco-conscious drivers, the Yukon offers a hybrid variant that combines the power of the V8 with efficient electric motors, delivering impressive fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Exhaust system. The advanced exhaust system enhances both performance and sound, giving the Yukon a refined yet aggressive engine note that matches its muscular design. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. The GMC Yukon is equipped with a comprehensive airbag system, including side impact, curtain, and passenger airbags, ensuring maximum safety in the event of a collision. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This suite of driver assist features includes pre-collision system for mitigating frontal impacts, lane departure alert to prevent unintentional lane drifting, adaptive cruise control for smooth, consistent highway driving, parking assist equipped with sensors and a 360-degree camera system. The Yukon makes parking effortless, even in tight spaces. Blind spot monitoring. Stay aware of your surroundings with blind spot monitoring, helping you avoid collisions when changing lanes. Electrical and lighting systems. Battery. A high-capacity battery ensures reliable startups and power delivery, supporting all electronic systems efficiently. Lighting. LED lighting extends beyond the exterior with interior ambient lighting options, creating a cozy yet sophisticated cabin ambience. Charging. For convenience, available wireless charging pads in the center console keep your devices charged while on the go. Suspension and handling. Front suspension. The independent front suspension offers a smoother ride, absorbing bumps and maintaining stability for a more comfortable driving experience. Rear suspension. The rear suspension complements the front, ensuring superior handling and control whether on-road or off-road. Brakes. The powerful braking system, featuring ventilated discs, provides confident stopping power for all driving conditions. Wheels and tires. Available in various sizes, the Yukon offers wheels and tires designed for both performance and durability, ensuring excellent grip and stability. Cargo and utility. Trunk space. The GMC Yukon offers generous cargo space, and with second and third row seats folded, the capacity expands significantly for larger gear or luggage. Folding seats. The flexible seating configuration allows easy conversion between passenger and cargo space, adapting to your needs effortlessly. Roof rails. For additional cargo versatility, available roof rails provide a secure attachment for luggage or equipment, making long journeys more manageable. Pricing. Base model. The entry-level GMC Yukon offers a comprehensive set of features with a competitive price point. Hybrid variant. For those looking for efficiency without compromising performance, the hybrid version offers a balance between power and sustainability. Fully loaded trim. Top-tier trims provide luxury and advanced tech, making them ideal for those seeking the ultimate Yukon experience. Release date. The 2025 GMC Yukon will be available in dealerships starting from, insert release date, ready for test drives and orders. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting SUV.